In 1993, Allen and Shariff opened its doors for business in Columbia, Maryland, and despite a nationwide recession, grew and developed a reputation for quality engineering design services for mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems.
I remember Bill Allen and Zach Shariff had big plans for the company. They were both visionary leaders. In fact, during my interview, I remember Zach telling me, he goes, in 7 to 10 years, this company's going to be international.
Today, Allen and Shariff provide services in building design, construction, project management, finance, and healthcare consulting worldwide. Allen and Shariff's success is attributed to its core values of responsiveness, innovation, collaboration, quality, and integrity.
I always say, you have to pretend like this is your project. When you're designing this building, pretend you're the owner. How do you want it? You're the guy paying for it. So what are you going to buy? What are you going to put in it? So we take that approach. We take a very practical approach. There's a lot of ways to design systems and buildings, and that's I think that's been part of our success too, is being able to develop the practical solutions.
A turning point for the company came in 2001 with the contract for MEP and IT design of Baltimore's East Inner Harbor. The 1,100,000 square foot project consisted of 2 hotels, a 7-plex movie theater, an office building, condominiums, retail stores, a health club, and a parking garage. The project helped launch Allen and Shariff into a decade of recognition and growth. The company took off, winning numerous projects in the Mid-Atlantic region, serving clients in office buildings, healthcare facilities, R&D labs, schools, multi-use town centers, movie theaters, and NFL stadiums. In fact, Allen and Shariff was part of 2 separate design teams that built both Heinz Field, home of the Pittsburgh Steelers, and M&T Bank Stadium, home of the Baltimore Ravens.
I say our reputation is we are great team players, that we provide really great service. We seem to get the harder jobs in town, and our clients just love the way we provide service and are proactive in helping them find solutions to problems.
In 2008, Allen and Shariff and Consortio International launched a joint venture and went global, opening an operations center based in Abu Dhabi to support the Middle East and North Africa. Today, that office oversees dozens of projects throughout the region. Always forward-thinking, Allen and Shariff was one of the first design-build firms to establish an environmental policy committed to using solar and wind energy, and to offering green energy efficiency services. Many projects have achieved LEED certification. Recognized as one of the best places to work, Allen and Shariff has been featured in Building and Design magazine, and its projects have won top industry awards, including Zweig White's Hot Firms Award, and in 2012, Ernst & Young awarded Zach Shariff the Entrepreneur of the Year amongst Maryland engineering firms.
I think you'll find that Allen and Shariff has a small business feel, but we have a big business capability, and that's one thing you're going to see throughout this company.
In 2013, Allen and Shariff launched its healthcare consulting group, which focuses on serving its healthcare clients in compliance, operations, and litigation.
Allen and Shariff has a great footprint in the healthcare build space with hospitals and health systems. So being able to bring the right people to the table to do maybe interim management as those are getting up and running. So a lot of growth, a lot of opportunity.
So how will Allen and Shariff expand on the culture of excellence in the future?
Our focus and our success has been our people, and the culture that we have within the company, and the culture of excellence that we want to continue to build upon and create within the company. So if somebody was to ask me what my legacy is going to be, simple, it's going to be a company that is one of the best places to work for and one of the best places to do business with.
You can be on a project site, you can be back at the office, you can be taking orders for office supplies. Every job is important, and it contributes overall to the success of our organization.
I see us almost like a Ernst & Young or SAIC or L3, somewhere in that high-end consultancy company where people recognize the name globally.
Thanks to outstanding leadership and a talented and committed workforce, Allen & Shariff is the company everyone is talking about, the company clients are turning to solve complex challenges in building design, construction, energy, project finance, and healthcare consulting. Allen & Shariff is ready, here to serve you and make your project a success.